What's going on? How y'all doing? I am about to hop on to look at the results from Euro JPY. So let's go ahead and dive into the charts. Okay, as of right now, Euro JPY is pulling back to retest this support area. We're waiting to see what actually happens here. If we'll get a close beneath and a move to the downside, a close beneath this structure, then price moves to the downside, or if it will break the highs and pull back to retest the previous highs here at this structural level before continuing to move down. So as of right now, we're practicing patience to see what candlesticks are printed on a lower time frame to give us a better indication of what's going on. As of right now, price is fighting to stay above this structural level. We also have price trading underneath our EMAs. But we have a hammer here that retested support, and price immediately came back up to trade within this structure. The only dip beneath was to retest this hammer. So as of right now, on the smaller time frame, everything still looks pretty bullish. So what we'll do so we don't waste screen time is we'll set an alert YouTube page, TK Profit, or log on to Facebook, and you'll be able to see the screen and trade live with me. Okay, so yes, we'll name this. Oh, look for the sale. Okay. Now let's add the euro pound. If pound continues to move up, this will be a inverse head and shoulders. So let's see how it reacts to the EMAs here. We have the 20 EMA prices wicked above the 50 EMA, and now it's kind of rejecting. But based off of what we see, we price created a microstructure right here, giving multiple rejections. Then you have a break beneath, but within that break, you have a double bottom. After that double bottom, price came back down to retest the right side of that double bottom, and now it's on the move. Normally, when that happens, price creates a higher high. So, really, let's just wait and see. So, let's look at the opposite just in case it doesn't create a higher high. What could happen? Because right now, price is retesting this area, this support area on the higher time frame. Which is also right on the 50 EMA. got a little bullish divergence here. RSI slightly going up, price slightly going down. And normally when you see bullish divergence, that is a indication that you could get a reversing trend, meaning that's another bullish indication for euro pound at the moment. 4 hour, we got 2.5 hours before it closes. Yeah, I think we should be patient on this one because these multiple rejections, normally when you see those in the market, before it takes off at a level like this, in some cases, price will continue to fall, dip below it to test the next structural level beneath it, and then continue to move to the upside. So just like the last one, we'll place a couple alerts just to be safe. And that's why I look at the possibilities of buys and sales so I can remain objective, because it's not about being right, it's about making money. So we'll delete this. We will wait on this level to be retested. If it is, then cool. If not, if price continues to move up and gives us a strong close above this zone, we'll just wait on a retest and ride it back up. So that's what we're doing right now, waiting. And we don't have any excuse me, we don't have any heavy news coming out. So this might be a slow day. Okay, on the 1 hour is right at the 200 EMA. We got a nice bullish engulfing. If this candle closes above, that will be a confirmation. So we got 25 minutes left. This will be an important candle, so we'll just come back to this. And if it closes above, if it closes above, what we'll do is, like I said, we'll just wait on this area right here to get retested, and we'll enter in the buy with an extremely tight stop loss right here. Boom. And we'll see if that's the move. So let's come back. Let's see. Because there's a great chance before EuroCAD here. And also, another thing, all of our EMAs are pinched right in this area. 20-day EMA, 50-day EMA, and a 200 EMA. So let's look at my fib to see where we are. I'm thinking this is probably close to the 786 level on the fib. Yes, it's right underneath it. So depending on the close with this candle, we could be looking at a possible re-entry, a possible entry for the continuation of this sale. From here, if we get some bullish confirmation on a smaller time frame, let's see. It's 1 to 6. We've had this year. But for you guys, feel free to risk 3% per trade. Split your position sizes. We'll split your position into three different trades. So if it's 3%, use three different trades at 1%. If you're at 6% total, three different trades at 2%. And same concept with 9%. And with that, you'll be able to, if you keep that consistent approach, you'll be able to pretty much put yourself in a position to have a winning account balance, with an overall higher account balance, with a losing winning percentage as a trader. So what I mean is, if you have 10 trades that you take and you risk 3% every trade, even if you only you take 10 trades, risk 3% per trade, and you make sure that every trade that you take is 1 to 3 or better. What you'll do is you'll still end out the month at 12% if you lose 7 of those trades, because you're only losing 3%, but when you win 9. So being strict with your risk reward and your percentage, like I said, can help you have an overall gain on your account without having a winning percentage as a trader. And that's the hack. Discipline. This low. So let's see. That's nice. All right, Sunday night charting session. Have anybody profit? OPY got hit in profit. We dropped in profit, set alerts, and it actually. So let's see. Let's see if price is highs but break them. So this could be all right, stop loss underneath the lows. Boom, and that's the target. That's a 1 to 12 trade, but remember, I said I risk 9%, so that's 9 times 12 for me. Okay, let's see what happens. All right, right now we got 14 minutes, 15 seconds left in this 1 hour close on USD CAD. I am waiting for this candle to close before making a decision. Right now it's retesting this structure, but the way it's set up, I believe corner. And normally when you see those, price comes back. So let's just be patient and see if that is the case with this situation. We can actually put the stop loss beneath this low, but just stay here. Wow, that made the risk reward even better. Sent out to the group. Okay. Okay. Looks like a thing. Buy zone. That doesn't mean purchase, just. All right, 7. Risk percentage you want to use, whether 3, 6, or 9. Oh, also, whatever you choose, make sure you use that percentage for at least 10 or 20 trades. You don't want to win 3 trades at 3% and get cocky and then move to 9%, because then it only takes 2 trades for you to blow everything that you just made. So don't do that. Bad mistake. Tighter entry, tighter stop loss, more money. Pick a USD CAD. Like I said, put your account balance in, put in the percentage amount you want to risk, and if you scroll up, it will tell you the exact lot size you could risk to have your account at that exact percentage. That way, you won't lose. All right, we're going to enter in this buy. So we're buying USD CAD. Okay. Give me 1 second. So right now we are in this trade setup, and we will see how it turns out. All right. So our stop loss is right here. 1.2. Let's define a few target areas for this trade. So let's find our TPs. This is right now is IG, and I saw an mRNA and 57. So no or whatever. Disney breaking the dollars on your Disney options. So no, we're doing both just to show that technical analysis applies to all instruments, no matter what you trade, forex, crypto. It's all the same. The only difference is the news. So the news affects or acts as a catalyst to whatever you're trading. So, if you're in crypto, you look at crypto news, but you also do the technical analysis. And it'll just be like a force behind what's already going to happen in the market. But again, you want to hop on one day, we're trading live. And yeah, you can take advantage of these setups yourself. But thank you. Thanks for the question. You guys, y'all be safe. Y'all have a great day. Remember, you are one trade away from living. Why fight to stay the same? TK Profit. Y'all hit the like and subscribe button.